Alright, let's make some changes and commit them. So let's say that I want to add a different comment. So this says this is a comment. I have a new comment now. Alright, so I've made my change. You can see in the left-hand navigation panel here, now there's a little caret next to main because it's been changed, but I haven't added it to my index or committed it. There's two different ways you could do this. You could do this graphically within Eclipse, or you could do it using the command line. Let's do it graphically first. So I can right-click main, and under the team menu, I can say add to index. And then I can right-click here, and under team, I can say commit. And there's my information about committing. I click OK, and then I type a commit message. The commit message should be short, and it should be a description of what will change if somebody incorporates this change into their own project. So a good example here is add a new comment to setup. And I'll click commit. And now I have made a snapshot of that change that I can revert back to whenever I want, or I can push those changes to the remote server and somebody else can pull them into their own project. Let's do the same thing a different way. So adding another comment. All right. Inside git bash here, I'm going to go into drawbot by saying change directory drawbot, cd drawbot. And I can type git add /source/main.java. So that's the same thing we did the last time. I'm just staging that in the staging area. Now I can say git commit -m for the commit message and add a comment in main.java. And now it says that it's been committed. And Eclipse won't update unless you actually right-click and say refresh. And now you see that it's updated. So either way is acceptable. You want to take your snapshots. You want to make your commits about once every maybe 10 or 15 minutes. You don't need to do it for every single line of code that you enter, but if you have implemented a small method or if you've made a small group of changes that are all about like one specific thing, that's when you want to take your snapshot. You don't want to do several things before you take a snapshot because you need to name your snapshots for kind of the logical thing it is that you have just implemented. All right, good luck.